This is a really quick review that I wanted to do of this soldering mat that I got recently. So as you guys know, I do a bunch of reviews on this channel, and the desk, that I use is pretty wide, and so yeah, just due to the light reflecting off it, it can be a bit unpleasant for some people. So I've just decided to get something like this, and it also functions like I mentioned as an area heat resistant mat. So I've got my soldering iron here, and it's a little bit annoying obviously because if you are soldering just on a normal desk like that, you're going to get solder, maybe some scorch marks. So this really kind of protects my desk and keeps things a little safer as well. So you can see, there's a whole bunch of little compartments up the top here that you can store components. There's a couple up the top here. Down here I think you can probably store some like screwdriver bits around the top. There's just even these little holes right up on the top there as well. And there are magnetic sections, so if you look here, there's a magnet like there's like 3 magnets there. I think there's one, yep, there's a couple up the top here as well. Not sure if there's any down the side. No, none down the side on the left hand. And at the bottom, something that's really cool, you can just barely see it on the camera, but there is a ruler that goes up to 15 inches, 38 centimeters, so that can be pretty helpful, I think, for me, especially when I'm doing reviews. It feels really sturdy, and yeah, it also comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So I've got mine in red because it's kind of the theme of my channel. The only issue is that this one came sort of rolled up, so yeah, you can see the edges are still popping up. I don't know if it's ever gonna go completely flat, but yeah, for just those up overhead shots, that should be fine. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. But like I said, check out the other colors because they do come at different prices. And yeah, if you've got questions, let me know. Otherwise, I think this is a really good little purchase and definitely be using it in my reviews.